Today we are going to learn about quantifiers. Quantifiers tell us how much or how many of something we have. We use some words with countable nouns like apples, cars, or books, and we use other words with uncountable nouns like water, rice, or lemonade.
For countable nouns, we can say a and, for one thing, some, for a small number, any. In questions or negatives, many. In questions or negatives, a few, for a small number, a lot of, for a big number. For example, there is a snake in my boot. There are some apples. Is there any juice? Are there many fruits? There is a lot of water.
For uncountable nouns, we can say some, for a small amount, any, in questions or negatives, much, in questions or negatives, a little, for a small amount, a lot of, for a big amount. For example, there is some lemonade. There is not any food. There is not much time. There is a little rice. There are lots of cars on the street.
Remember, a lot of is very common in everyday English, and we can use it with countable and uncountable nouns.
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Water, milk, orange juice, black coffee, oil, honey, soup, chicken, beef, fish, ham, rice, bread, cheese, butter, sugar, flour, ice cream, lettuce, popcorn.
Water, milk, orange juice, black coffee, oil, honey, soup, chicken, beef, fish, ham, rice, bread, cheese, butter, sugar, flour, ice cream, lettuce, popcorn.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time.
Apples, orange, bananas, grapes, pineapple, pears, peaches, strawberry, sandwiches, hamburger, pizza, pancakes, biscuits, eggs, vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, onions, potatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, ear of corn.
apples, orange, bananas, grapes, pineapple, pears, peaches, strawberry, sandwiches, hamburger, pizza, pancakes, biscuits, eggs, vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, onions, potatoes, cucumber, bell peppers, ear of corn.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream